Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Dede
Waalaikumsalam.
Alfian and my partner Fajar Agung Wibowo. We will deliver material about performance-based assessment. Okay. Performance-based assessment with reading skill. In recent years, traditional study objective achievement tests consisting primarily of multiple choice and matching items have been generally criticized as inappropriate, invalid measure of student academic competence. O'Malley and Valdez and Michael. Such criticism had initiated and sustained a movement toward authentic assessment in a wide variety of learning domains. This is as true in English as a second or foreign language assessment as it is in areas such as science or mathematics assessment. As Michael pointed out, however, that there are a number of problems with the use performance-based assessment measure. He identified three difficult that need to be considered. The first is the problem of obtaining reliable result. Example, interoperability. Writers of performance-based assessment tasks need to be trained to comprehend to and establish a set of scoring criteria, such as training, however, does not ensure consistency, since writers may still interpret the criteria in different ways. And the next, number two, the second difficult discussed by Michael concerns the adequacy of the sample of the indicator deemed to represent authentic performance. The range of performance in the knowledge domain being tested must be adequately confirmed in order to ensure validity of assessment. The representativeness of the assessment in order to adequately capture truly authentic performance might well require an extended testing period that is not visible in most education contexts. And the next, number three, Michael's third difficulty is that of transfer and generalizability. This is addresses the question of whether the tax carry our context. Of validation falling under an operating concept of trust validity that he argued apply to all assessment whether standardized and objective or performance based. And the next material Fajar Agung Wibowo.
And the aspect of validity in performance-based reading assessment. Meshik in 1996 argument that validity is an overall evaluative judgment of the degree to which empirical evidence and theoretical rationale support to adequacy and appropriateness of interpretation and action based on test, score, or other model of assessment. And the next is the model the content aspect. This aspect include the three criteria. Lindberger and Dunbar 1991 refers to as a cognitive complexity, content quality, and content coverage. In entails specification of contents domain to be assessed in terms of reading assessment in its mean. It's very simple term. That's reading is a construct being assessed and not speaking, listening or writing, or more importantly, it's mean that the specific aspect of reading being assessed are clearly delineated. And the summative aspect, it's mean message divided into two points. And the first is the need for test text, not only sample domain content, but also to adequate sample domain process. The second is the need to ensure through empirical evidence that respondent adequate and engage in the sampling process during text performance. Next, and the structure aspect, it's mean this aspect related scoring of the assessment text to what is known about the structure realization inherent in behavior, manufacturing, and the construct in question. In terms of reading comprehensive, the form text scoring should take into account the interactive relationship between lower order decoding skill and high order improving skill. Performance-based assessment score should also reflect not merely the cognitive process involved in reader text interaction, but also text relevant behavior required by the assessment. And the generalizability aspect, it means here concern is that a performance assess should provide a perfective coverage of the content and process of the constructs domain. It's Messick 1996. And at 25th page, as a Messick note, issue generalizability of score inference across text and context goes to the very heart of scoring meaning. It's comment on the high text and depend nature of performance. Next. The external aspect. This refers to the criterion validity of the assessment, the extent to which the assessment score relationship with other measure and non-assessment behavior reflect expected high, low, and interactive relation implicated in the theory of construction bank assessment. The focus here is on how useful the score are in providing the specific information that the assessment was said to acquire in the ESL or EFL reading assessment. Such information may range from placement decision, assessment decision, and or course program evaluation and program evaluation decision. And the consequential aspect, Lindberger and Dunbar in 1991, this stressed the important the consequence of assessment and definite as a consequential validity as both the intended and unintended effect of assessment on teaching and learning. Messick broadened the definite by nothing that consequential aspect as various the value implication of score interpretation as a basis for action as well as the actual and potential consequence of test, especially in range to sort of infallibility related to issue of bias, fairness, and distributive justice, as well as to its mean the Westbeck. The concept of Westbeck refers to by Messick is one frequently used in language teaching to refer to the effect of testing on teaching and learning. For the example, the extent to which the introduction and use of tests influence language teacher and learner to do things they would not otherwise do the promote or inhibit language learner. Next. Okay, from the all material, the learning goal from this the purpose is active the learner provide knowledge to the topic, doing to set and the stage for the high level skill on integration, summarize, and collaboration. It is why we try to deliver the learning goal from the materials from the above. Okay, thank you. That's enough for all. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.